Ebusia for me mamo akwaba shonko eba too much GH munu ba musum for na ama obusia eni na dan me di just say ya na ensema abesi ewo oman mu no ena me de betudwa e de amamo ebusia for na watch remu abrante bi ema ne humi so ewo social media na obespake and outrage ewo Honorable Kennedy Agyapong so and upon tell obaye no ono de ende obaye say oba be de Honorable Kennedy Agyapong say wo be kire ni tumi wo be kire ni say ono wo ye be ma ese honorable no na abrante America no asemi Ibrahim Dauda, one of the Ghana big boys that is a woman flaunting sika kese ebuna sika ya bono to say building blocks near parking go no we twa ho picture not him ebi wo krapa kasa kese no gina ho twa picture entalia kese no wa shebi efie kese no gina ho no twa picture and attacking as a big boy and one of those big boys Ibrahim Dauda ebi say friend Ibrah one and America no wasemi na wo ba bonti be threaten honorable ede honorable no honorable so ankana no antu honorable be yina no fefe say or man no just 2 days no obema a police for any national security for akonifie akoye nhwemu afa ne cars a wode aba omanyimu a wencha ho duty ne cars a wode tese ejuma ewo manyimu atese ho duty sikra ho papers no what didn't you dey fine kwan pone so edi be pm ewo omanyimu na epm so no ne fraudulent activities are were involved in obama nya abetodwa magana fonia ehu ne sika wenya no efare na ensem no ebeta bonto ni enim se eya branch no obeba bonto bepa ho no abacho you say echire no on osade another threat to ho edema honorable say by the end of 3 days no so honorable ntimi anya nhwe ntimi anchire ne to me now ono honorable ba chere say owo ewo Ghana ha wono so make sure say honorable no ho be chere ne pa ono honorable Kennedy Agyapong any East Legon for ni ebiem so ye mampani a wote so no obi abeti ato awu amagana ye ni ebehu bi na wode threatens we ebeto Ghana for ka say ene se ade oja no masopa oja no ayehye Ghana ha ayehye because honorable ni enim so ye be ma akompre kwa onde o sane okoto te say owo so no ho ana ensemesi ewo man no obi foforo so about no so be kire ne say no so ya compre ko pepepe sa de na ka Ghana ha ye hu na yetete wa adechie ye hu say ya police for akopiemu ewo ne fie ho na so na abante ne hwede chi akwan a ye ni bebi agwogwo ema rumors eba on social media say we dwane a voter region ne biem so ka say wakotete ewo bebi foforo na tete ade abrante ni nua bema aba bontim na ni nua bema no na bonte wa ba ni nua ne say wo de kotosre ena esre Honorable Kennedy Agyapong said ni nua no won for the bone enche no ni nua no as now ye ka say ati ye hu ne fire by ye bi mu ka say onena voter region ni nua ne pese o magana for ehu ne say ye Ibrah one you or you depressed or going through depression, serious depression, ama no behave abnormally. Na ebiemu so no se si ade or treatment center or je ayarishe ewo honum. Na no na Ghana for eka say na unya be ma aba bonti abedi honorable hu fail abe tretia koye ye mampeni a wote edwa so na biem so wasnechi ono no ankasa ne na fofo osusu so me sakawa for awon ye indulge in fraudulent art no bi na wo ba bonti a wo abepa chachire honorable say unwa no ni tirimuka no obi ni tirimuka no otimi si asemu pi e kan nsem ata say already na ye rumors nam Ghana e confirm e ma allegations they can e sa the threats is kwa bonti entimunim say na adwumuka no mara manatena fia dia ko si say ebre a waba bonti the threat si say threat akese say abeto honorable so any ebiem so no wode biato ye mampeni a wote edwa so no so afi na mobile bonti be ka say na adwumu e kan kakra na no de Ghana for ye dituma enye ye na ne birthday yi ne din e de senior Abbas ni dia ebeto dwano eno na we repeat esa close on social media to me say wako honorable akache eno honorable akokasa e wasundwe kwan so honorable enje ne chopa no entum mani nnuano because nnuano for some time now no number bi esisi wona brabom nti amane nyama wo ye nnuano esisi so sa eno nti wo fa nnuano bo ne enche no na biem so akire be bia ne nnuano eche say ye treatment center wono na wo kasa no so no se ne nsema wo ka ne ebesi pinti was that etna so Oman FM. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, one of the radio stations also confirming and send on the honorable Echo Cow a year behind the scene no a radio station send Ghana phone ya Betty as I said Ibrah one and some of the betuja the allegations of the boy a year honorable enim a year takrade girls phone now when you are in house said I say woman no only most no yencha embo na no crabby and epiamusunum JB Dankwa case now or so East Legon for East Legon for Scafon Semakokan so yen chambo epiamusunum a year Ahmed Swale wona a year Ibrah one now what alleges a honorable Kennedy Agyapong and a nim who be no and also Ghana for yen chambo is as an Indian or Yarim. Now it was for Ghana for say a bit my no because for some time now not to say Ibrah one no a bit out to be bad one thing or because say me no to a cemetery. Na nkosua titano na snap titano as wo bodua as wo bompaye last time cramp on yere a na woni no ewo ho as say dan na yere na kopie mu ewo abrochi mama ni di edi kadija no video bi beto abonte a post ni yere ni picture say or alaje say na yere no ene shatawale ehihye ho emeyen sempi ewo Ghana na we the previous post so atumu say na ma wo ye wo honom no ensi society Ghana for say ni nyu ababonte abe confirm say na dwumu kana ene ye fa ne say be no kwaresa na ni niemu so no Ghana for be to say honorable say ma honorable fan the bonne enche no won ko so any ndi the new because onya kudo eba bonte betrete say honorable so no so expose honorable no so e wo proof that betimi expose honorable and this wa ba bonte kwa say na adwumu ka no Ghana fa say mu on be say honorable any ndi the no on say on investigating the life of our body, the sika wenya, the cat to no on investigating yan far by. No one expose ever Ghana phone ya a year Ibrah one no na same. Nebusa form sending yan akot part show na said the honorable aso chopper no and as one saw a chopper no. The other told that I want same when you know. Yet the better dry I want too much if they can say you so. Son of why will say so bet me at TV. Now son no my uncle going some of the comments are Ghana form. Edi abetuja ewa ha efa a chopper na ninya no edi abetuja Abbas Ibrah one enya penny no we efi Queen Star say Ken should still deal with him utimso no to jina ho say still na honorable Ken me mani fa Ibrah one boni enche no so nya kukuro ba bonte ebeka honorable asem dia e na honorable nkoso a eni no endi we so efi Mensa William say ha 419 is pretending to be sick cause the air cost no pretense na brante no wo fa kwan bi e dey atese e show Ghana for because wo bi a wanya kudo aba ponti dey say to post say who proofs that wetin dey atese honorable onye papa bia honorable ye money laundering honorable enim ewu a esisiti oman ni mu ehu bi na afei de wasa ba ponti ama unua e dey ka meka say Opa honorable acho na wadwum kawa na enu no 419 schools obi o saka way of oye indulged in fraudulent activities there he is not to be trusted won't be there at any time. Richard Opoku Edia what they about say ha small boys are young. I am not inciting anyone against the other, but my question is why apologies and why now? It is said in an account adage that a child is to crack a snail and not that of a tortoise. A word to a wise is enough. Which also adjoin chair they abandon say asem the earnest repair and collect to small boys are young and collect to some who so musa na klawo way akan kasem ye wo eye adeti bia ye kan say aklawo ommo eye tortoise wo ba anwa wo mo achechire de anwa e no bonti say wait me amwa want me amwa na ko odo de so a ene de bebe bia no e say won so unya eso ensusu adenti we tunufo e de amanum ma memfa eye Ophelia so edia what they about him. He can get cure in prison, which is correction center for that illness. Onusu woni say Ibrah one no honorable me mani entie de ni nua be mana ba bonte abeka say na dwumu kan no oje treatment treatment center me mani say enfanya se bia na oko prisoner ohonum crampo your facilities wo ha she enkofo madwumu eka omo ewo ho enu te be ya honorable enko so many investigations former police for enkochi Ibrah one for the fraudulent activities ni scamming deals awe no ni entibi fa nko prison so that dwumu kan wo ha ye betimi ahwe no ewo prison honum so AK Swansea dear and a midi air to us so or say when young man gets money he then says look at that bad old man stupid fool like he was threatening and calling our president short man that he would be counted among dead ones. What a hell is he? It's not anything. He should apologize to the president to forgive him. He shall be well. Or say, now, Ibrah one, the yellow or Yarinia, the about Pontis and Adjumucaniano. Yo, bois, when young for man penny form, or who say when you scatter craving to himself, maybe I will do it, will be a penny crow, more penny. Will be a passia at the man, and nothing on man any etern and into or the quay a man penny said, your man penny and the pateta and chair will be a sign or no anchor said in tea, and nunti. So Benjana who taught dia and the one call me to dress so now one part your president will see Acunya sono at your part because Wakasa etia opening. Maxwell Mensa Edge and the A chat to say what shows that that fraudster is sick. And it is true as you are, and if it's true as you are saying, it means he is mad. So why don't you take him to a psychiatric hospital? Liar. Onusu wuni say a tronkwa and Abbas Ibrahim one, Ibrahim Dauda Ibrah one, Ninyano, and tronkwa no becha honorable Agyapong because Senko Yaria, I don't know that the Nia Buson said Abrate Yare, Omo Manani Nam Fios, and let us say, and some young can hold a better about it, add the threatenings, add a comment before mine. I feel ebe ya sema to say be yin to and the busia be jire mo be part of their man and it is uncle yaria and get a partner can say busia omu so mo be cause psychiatric center ni akore no hom no ma chairman na be kan se be kan say na fe no be na ya hwe dia me honorable MP ne back say ebusia for me the comments no ebe si ase say si ade Ibrah one na obe jina social media e threaten honorable say honorable Emma 2 days one pana chowa no be yin to ebe cheche ni nsemu ama Ghana for ha ye who say honorable what onye ni papa bia no say see a day after say national security for ko ni fie ko hwe no amon hu no ni nua be ma babo ate say ni nua no oda ya sabia o receive treatment say na dwimu e ka no asem wey asem no kwa say honorable ensom no onye ni sa no onya Ibrahim asem ento ana say I was say honorable Nkoswa enka na asem na say wonye no nsem enhwemu no fa de wo mu bia emeto aponte na sa brate na foma nyemfa no enkoto eye prison de wojin efa asem we bia no wo ho kwan say wo be share e we comment section e wo tuma GH say e bia mu so no kai hu ne say video we fama down for obisua for unua no obi bia obem bia ma ne hu bi no no so on hu de ekoso e wo man Ghana emu na say see ade tuma GH wo Instagram ye page no at Tuma GH and to follow your walk and so meeting Edinana Ama Owusa Ahanam Dibesi that's an Ayabasa Edi in Shemudim Makramu.
Yo, too much GH near Ghana for Asher for Etie for Onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe or na ehintasem ensema ebuafa on my Ghana so ena ye de bremu one God in ye the only one God in GH eho ena de bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo amowiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo